to do burnout for pass number 2. Okay, so at this point I've pulled 6 degrees out of the launch. This is pass number 3. So at this point, we're trying a new strategy. We're gonna go half throttle on the 2-step, and then when I let go of the button, I'll floor it, and that'll engage the nitrous. Alright guys, we're going to end this video off here with a 1/4 mile pass. Didn't really do much changes, put a couple degrees of timing back in it, and we're going to do the half throttle, let go of the button, floor it launch here. So this was the best pass of the day. This was a 1066 at 128. So that was the best pass of the day. 1066 at 128. You know, the other ones were like a 1069, 1072, 1071. But that's as close as I could get. Not a 10.5. But that's as close as we could get. 1066, 128. Not too bad for the old girl. It's a stock bottom end 302 with heads and a cam and a little bit of nitrous. So, stock suspension, everything. So it's either going to be a nitrous controller or an anti-roll bar and some shocks. But stay tuned and you'll find out. Like, share, comment, subscribe, you know, do what you do. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.